Folders in the Content Explorer side of the Site Planner component have varying unique attributes. In this video, we'll go over those attributes and some of the different ways they affect how you publish content. First, we'll go over how folders are created in the Content Explorer side of Site Planner. By right-clicking on any site channel or folder within the Content Explorer side of Site Planner, we'll bring up a contextual menu. In regards to folders, you can see I have the option to add a folder. If I hover over this option, I'll get a submenu that will display the varying content type folders I can create. The unique thing about creating content type folders is that they can only house content items for the content type or subfolders for that content type. If I wanted to create a folder in Content Explorer that wasn't tied directly to a content type, I'd simply click on the Add a Folder button. Because the folder I've created isn't tied directly to a content type, I can't directly add any content items to it. To add any, I would need to create a subfolder that is tied directly to a content type. After I've created a content type folder and added my content items, I'm able to publish that folder onto a page of my site. Just like when I publish a single content item, I'll drag my folder onto my page and choose the position and view I want to use. If I was publishing this folder within a wrapper, I would only need to select the view. The view I choose for my folder will be used for every content item within that folder in the context of this page. Let's take a look at some of the unique options I have available to me within the Site Plan Assignment pop-up. Just below the General Settings section, you'll see a Folder Settings section. If I check the Is Paginated checkbox, the rest of my folder settings will be hidden, and my folder's content will use the settings that I've set for my page. You can find those settings by right-clicking on your page and choosing Edit Page. If I leave the Is Paginated checkbox unchecked, I have the option to order the way my content is published on the front side of my site. I also have the ability to choose which direction they're ordered by in the Order Direction field. The final option in the Folder Settings section is the Limit field. This becomes useful when you want to publish a folder but only display a specific number of content items. Typically, this is used for adding a specific number of new articles or other content items to a page. I could do this by selecting my order by choice, in this case Publish Date, choose Descending in the Order Direction field, and then choose whatever number of content items I want to feature. The Tags section of the Site Plan Assignment pop-up isn't unique to folders, but does come in handy when publishing them. I can use the Tags field to limit the content items that show up on my published page to only the content items that have that tag. If I was publishing this folder on a full view page, I could use the tag categories to limit the content items that show up on my page to content items that have all the same tags as my full view item. I would do this by choosing the tag categories I want to match on and set the tag categories mode. I could also set my tag categories and then use the tag categories mode order. Then the content items that have the most tags in common with my full view item would be displayed first. And just like when publishing any other content item to a page, once I have my settings the way I want them, I would choose Save and Close.